Hello everyone, welcome back to vocabjunction. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of tenses. It will help you master the present, past and future. There are three types of tenses: present, past and future. Let's discuss present tense. A tense expressing an action that is currently going on or habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists, is present tense. It has four types. First one is simple present, second one present continuous, third present perfect, and fourth one is present perfect continuous. Today we'll be discussing simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to describe regular actions or habits. Second one, general facts or truths. Third, permanent situations. Let's understand simple present tense with the help of some examples. First one is the sun rises in the east. It is a general fact, right? Second one is she eats an apple every day. It is her habit. She does it every day, right? Third one is humans are mortals. It is a general truth. Look at the rule. Affirmative or positive sentences, the rule is subject plus base or first form of the verb. And if there is third person singular as a subject, then we will use s or es after verb and then object. For I, you, they, we will use the base form of the verb or the first form of the verb, right? And for he, she, it is third person singular. He, she, it, they are singular and third person also. So we will use s or es after verb, right? Let's understand it with the help of some examples. First one is I play football. So I, right? I'm using base form of the verb for I here, which is play. I play football. Second one, he plays football. I'm using plays here, right? He is a singular and a third person. So after verb, I'm using s here. So it is he plays football. Let's learn spelling rules for simple present tense. First one is with most verbs add s in the end. Example, live, lives, sit, sits, stay, stays. So for most of the verbs we will use s in the end, right? Example, she drinks tea. So the verb is drink and she is singular and third person also. That is why we are using s in the end. Second one, if the word is ending in consonant plus y, we will change y to I and add es in the end. Let's learn it with the help of some examples. Word is try, T-R-Y. So y is there in the end and there is a consonant before y which is R. So we will change y into I and then we will add es in the end. So try will become tries. Second one is carry, C-A-R-R-Y. So here Y again, the word in the end is Y and there is a consonant before it which is R. So carry, we will change it to carries. Y we will remove and we will add IES in the end. Example, he studies every day. The word is study, right? And we are changing Y to IES. Look at the third one. Ending in S, Z, CH or X, add ES. If the word is ending with S, Z, CH or X, so you will add ES in the end. Examples are Miss. So there is S in the end, it will be changed into Mrs. Buzz. Z in the end, ES we will add in the end, buzzes. Catch. CH in the end, ES we will add and then it will be catches. Fix, X is there in the end and it will be changed to fixes. Example, he catches the ball. CH is there, right? ES we will add. He catches the ball. There are some exceptions also. Look at the exception. Go, go. So you all know that O is a vowel. So after vowel, here we have used ES. So here this is the exception. Go, goes. Do, D-O. We will add ES in the end. It will become does. Right? Example is she does her work on time. So we will use does in simple present tense with third person singular. I hope you will remember it. Now let's understand the difference between affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences also. First of all, understand the rule for negative sentences. We will use subject plus do or does not plus base form of the verb, right? Now look at affirmative sentences. First example is we walk to school every day, and in negative we will say we do not walk to school every day. We will use do after we here, right? And then we'll add not and object, rest of the sentence, right? Second one, she cooks delicious food. Second one, in negative sentence we will say she does not cook delicious food. We are using does here because she is third person singular. Now the third one, he sings really well. Example for negative sentence, he does not sing really well. Does we are using because he is again singular third person, right? So use do not for I, you, we, they, okay? And use does not for he, she, it. I hope it is clear to you all. Now understand interrogative sentences here. It is question sentences also. Rule is use do or does in the beginning, then subject, then base form of the verb, and in the end we use question mark. Examples are, do you watch movies? Does the rabbit run fast? So for you, I, we, they, we use do in simple present tense. And for he, she, it, or third person singular, we use does. So we are using does for rabbit because it is third person and singular. I hope it is clear. Now look at the rule for yes or no questions. It is you will use yes or no followed by do or does or don't or doesn't. Question is, do they live here? So answer will be yes they do, or you can say no they don't. Second question is, does she live here? So answer will be yes she does, or you can say no she doesn't. Look at the key points. Use the simple present with habit, routines, facts and permanent situations. For affirmative sentences, the rule is subject plus base or first form of the verb plus s or es. We will use s or es with the third person singular only plus object. Negative sentences, subject plus do not or does not plus base form of the verb. Interrogative sentences, do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb, and then we will use question mark in the end. That's all for today. I hope you understood simple present tense. In next video, we will cover present continuous tense. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.